Welcome to the third part of the digital customer onboarding vlog series, which we will continue with the help of a mind map. In the earlier video, we have gone through the various segments as well as the products and services which have been offered by the banks to their end customers, as well as we have gone through understanding the various challenges which has caused the inception of digital customer onboarding. In this video, we shall focus towards analyzing the various aspects that has to be taken care while implementing a digital onboarding solution, and we have tried to break down into these 6 areas which we will go step by step. To begin with, a digital customer onboarding solution should be channel agnostic with omnichannel experience. Today, bank does not have the luxury to dictate customers to use single or few specific channels or mode, but should be able to operate across multiple channels. I, as a customer, should be able to initiate and complete my onboarding journey while I am on the move on mobile, or while working on laptop or desktop browser, or use any of the channels listed here like tablet, kiosk, ATM or chatbot, social media, and even attending at the branch. This is what is termed as multi-channel support. At the same time, while the customer can perform the journeys at any of these channels, it is highly possible that a journey started will not finish at one go, and that is equally very important that the information captured at one channel is seamlessly synced up with other channels, so that if the customer logs into any other channel, the journey is not started afresh but is being resumed from where it has been left. This is called as omnichannel experience, an important feature to ensure customer is retained and avoids dropouts. The next thing that we need to ensure is the capability of various types of process which needs to be supported in the digital onboarding solution. There is heavy demand across banks to bring an STP as part of the digital onboarding solution. While this has quite a few dependencies, there is a huge benefit for banks and customers as it reduces transaction time and human errors. Before we get further onto STP, let's understand what STP or straight through process is. It's an activity through which the entire process is electronically executed with maximum automation, having seamless integration with all required systems and real-time processing with no manual intervention apart from the person who initiates the process. Who can initiate STP activity? It can either be initiated by a customer, which is also widely called as self-onboarding journey, or through a relationship manager or an agent or a business correspondent who assists customers to initiate the process, which is also called as assisted onboarding. This assistance can be provided either by person physically present with the customer or through a co-browsing functionality where the assistance is provided remotely through a collaborative functionality. While every bank aims to achieve STP, wherever there is no ecosystem available to leverage regulatory information or the global data sets, or in case if it is not feasible to easily integrate with bank's internal systems, bank needs to depend on the back office team who would manually validate all the information. That's when the STP gets broken and gets collaborated with back office to complete the onboarding journey. The backend process would involve team from multiple skill sets, right from operations, validating the authenticity of the information provided, credit team validating the creditworthiness of the entity or the customer, risk team ensuring all possible risk mitigation checks are performed, legal team confirming all documentations are abiding to bank's policies, and at times involvement of external agencies to perform field validations. All these skills can be built within the bank or can be outsourced to respective agencies who can perform their respective skill sets. An onboarding solution should be able to ensure all these different teams, be it within bank or outsourced, are brought together under a single onboarding solution to ensure the solution is foolproof end to end. The next important factor that we need to consider while implementing a digital onboarding solution is about the capability around automations. If we need to achieve a straight-through efficient process and process improvements at back office, we need to have solution which will have capabilities around OCR, which is optical character recognition capability, to extract all possible information from the document and making it available in a structured format for further processing. Auto capture of authenticated data using geotagging, so that information such as address doesn't need to be keyed in but will automatically tag with the application. Similarly, geofencing to control customer are onboarded as per specific location mandates. System ensuring that the routing of case is auto-assigned to right stakeholders dynamically based on the criticality of the case than a standard workflow. This shall also ensure all exceptions or deviations are handled effectively with defined turnaround time. RPA. Capability around robotic process automation is also very useful in onboarding, as it helps to transfer all regular or mundane tasks to bots which shall work round the clock. Security controls, applying biometric, fingerprint, facial recognition, liveness checks, all this to ensure the right set of people are considered as part of the onboarding. Auto document generation capabilities, so that the critical documents like agreements, credit memos, and various such documents shall be generated without any manual intervention adhering to bank's template and policies. Auto capture of complete information of the logs through inbuilt audit trail functionalities. Auto generation of real-time reports or monitoring capabilities, so that all the department heads can take relevant business and operational decisions. Compatibility for auto testing and auto deployment of the solution for error-free solutions at the production site. The next important aspect that we need to take care is about integration with various systems that are available to have a seamless onboarding journey. While automation shall take care of major aspects of the journey, solution should be able to seamlessly integrate with banks' internal systems and external or fintech systems. Banks' internal systems comprises of core banking system, product processes like trade system, lending system, wealth management, card management, and so on and so forth, and various other systems like CRM, document management system, fraud validating systems like anti-money laundering, sanction list checks, a polity exposed person check, etc. These checks can be done at the background by verifying data from both internal and external sources. This shall ensure not only meeting compliance needs but also mitigating the fraud risk. Integration with fintech and external systems is also critical, especially integrating with systems like electronic KYC or video KYC for ensuring that the regulatory compliances are taken care of. Credit bureaus to fetch credit history of customers before taking a decision, or a fraud or defaulters check to ensure the identified defaulters are not considered in the process, as well as integration with systems like digital signatures to embed e-sign or digital sign for the compliance records. While some of these capabilities can be inbuilt available with the prime onboarding solution, at times banks prefer to leverage their existing investments and integrate with whatever available systems which are there with the bank already. Next comes the capability around scalability. The digital onboarding solution which are getting implemented can't be restricted to a particular location having regional flavors, but should be scalable to roll out at multiple cities within the country having multilingual capabilities, should be able to scale to multiple regions like APAC, EMEA, UK, US, Africa, etc., and be able to roll out at global level as well without much changes in the base onboarding platform. Next comes deployment. The solution which is getting implemented should not be rigid to work on specific environment, but should be compatible across both on-premise ecosystem as well as on cloud ecosystem, so that based on bank's specific interest, it can easily lift and shift to the respective environments. These are the various factors which we have identified as a critical pointer which banks should consider while implementing a digital onboarding solution. Having said so, it is very much possible that we would have missed out any important point, and it's our sincere request that you bring any such important point which we missed out to our knowledge, so that we can incorporate in the mind map and share to everyone, so that it will help the industry at large. In the next video, we will share the benefits which many banks or the customers have achieved by having a robust digital onboarding solution, which shall also include testimonies from leading bank leaders. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this session was beneficial to all of you. Thank you.